If you're looking for those dynamic, eye-catching captions that you see everywhere on YouTube Shorts, you're not going to get them from YouTube's built-in feature. The best way to do this is with a dedicated app, and the one most creators use is CapCut. It is free and it's super powerful. First, you'll need to download the CapCut app and open it up. Tap on New Project, and then select the video you want to turn into a short. Make sure it is vertical, or you can go into aspect ratio settings to change it. Now, look at the bottom menu and find the caption button. You'll see a button that says Generate. Just tap it, and CapCut's AI will automatically transcribe your video for you. It is incredibly fast and accurate, but it's not perfect, so you'll want to review it afterwards. This is where you make your video stand out. Once the captions are generated, you can tap on them to enter the customization menu. You can change the font to match your style, pick a color that pops, or even add a background. Once you're happy with how your captions look, you're ready to export. Just tap the export button in the top right corner. The video will be saved directly to your phone's gallery with the captions already on it. Now you can head over to YouTube and upload your short with those professional, eye-catching captions ready to go.